Today I will introduce the country of nature, Colombia. Let's discover the wild creatures and rich culture of this country. First, let's look into basic background knowledge about Colombia. Colombia is named after Christopher Columbus. It's located in northwestern South America and it has rich diversity. Can you see that yellow, blue, red flag at the left? That's Colombia's flag. Well, it just looks like a normal flag, but it has some special meanings about Colombia. First, yellow means falls of of Colombia, and blue means season is cold, and stands for bloodshed in gaining freedom from Spain. Colombia's capital is Bogota. Bogota is central to Colombia and is the biggest city of Colombia. It's called Athens of South America because it has many universities and libraries. The pictures under the Colombia's flag, that's the Bogota's flag, downtown, and 7th Avenue. Next is about size, population, and language.
Ah, yes, please, slowly.
Okay, Colombia is 1,138,910 square kilometers big and 44,725,543 people live in Colombia as of 2011. They speak Spanish for language. For example, hello means hola, thank you means gracias, and I'm sorry means lo siento. Next, please. Colombia uses peso for money, and there are some more countries that use peso for money. There is the Philippines, Argentina, Chile, Mexico, and Cuba. There are some comments about this about peso. That countries are the country that get the Spain they ruled by Spain. So using peso was obligation, not a choice for this country. The climate for Colombia is usually hot and tropical. It's very hot along the coasts and eastern plains, but cooler in highlands. For the famous products, there's the petroleum, oil, coffee, nickel, emeralds, apparel, bananas, and cut flowers. Do you have any questions of these words? Now let's learn about some fun facts about about Colombia. First, there is the Caribbean lowlands at the north part. In there is the northern Screamer and Continental Tamarines. And at the west side, the Pacific lowlands, there is the Dolphins macaw and poison arrow frog. At the center of Colombia, there is the Andean highlands, and there is the Andean condor and mountain tapir. At the bottom of the Amazon forest, there is the Amazon River dolphin and anaconda. Amazon River dolphin is endangered dolphin, but it usually live in fresh water and clean water, unlike another dolphin. Anaconda lives in this part region too. At the east side, there is the Orinoco savanna. There is plains, and there is the eastern capybara and Orinoco crocodile. Colombia is the number one of bird diversity. There is the 1,800 bird species totally in Colombia, and there is the endangered yellow-eared parrot too. And emerald. Prize emeralds come from Colombia. The more vivid the gem's color are, the more valuable it is. This This emerald at the center is called Mogul Emeralds, and it was sold in $2 million at New York. Next. Coffee is one of the most famous products of Colombia. They be recognized worldwide as having high quality and distinctive taste. Also, and can you see that map? The graph? It shows that Colombia is the third coffee producer in the world. They produced 9,200,000 bags of coffees in 2010. The number one is Brazil. They produced 48,095,000 bags of coffee. This is the end of I prepared. Thanks for listening. Do you have any questions? Emerald is like jelly, so I think it doesn't have the special steps of forming emeralds. So I'm sorry.
You said Colombia is the first bird diversity. What the how many birds they have? Then the what can I say? How many species of bird they have, but not the other countries?
They totally have 1,800.
I mean, what is the only birds that we can see in Colombia?
Well, I think the yellow-eared parrot is endangered and it does live in Colombia.
What kinds of Colombia's coffees like in Korea, Mexico, or
I think it's just a Colombia coffee.
only name is Colombia coffee?
Ice Colombia.
I'm sorry, I didn't know. I have more information. The US and India and Japan are the main importers of Colombian coffee, so
Alice?